How Warren Buffett started the life of investment guru and one of the richest men on the earth. So, in 1930, the man was born as the world's wealthiest people and the world's richest man. Graduated from the high school at the age of 20 years, he saved around $9,800. So, business ability at a young age, 85% earnings donated. Buffett's investment philosophy. So you can see that is a acute business child, and we can say that the Buffett's father as a stock broker. At the age of 11 years, he made his first investment, or at the age of 10 years, he visited the New York Stock Exchange. At 11, he bought the 3 shares of the city's services. At the age of 30, it's own a business, papers, selling the horse racing tip sheets. Filed his first tax return, weekly magazine, store to door. Wow, it's commendable. Then it's graduated with the Bachelor of Science at the age of 20. He saved $9,800. He met the Graham, worked for him without fees, and returned to the hometown, launched the Buffett Associates. Married the Suzanne Buffett in 1952. Then he has 3 children, Susie, Howard, and Peter. And this is Buffett's investment philosophy. When he makes a purchase, his intention is to hold the securities indefinitely. There is a time for the indefinitely. He believes are well managed and undervalued companies. And in the 1962, Warren Buffett became a millionaire as a 30-year-old. Then in 2006, he donated the 85% of it to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundations. The donation becomes the largest in the US history. And in the 2008, he became the richest man in the world. Then in the next year, Gates regained the first position and the Buffett moved to the second place. He is the CEO of the Berkshire Hathaway and rank among the world's wealthiest people. He was diagnosed with the prostate cancer in 2012 and has completed his treatment. He is not using cell phone, prefer to travel by public transport. So these are the something like you can say that like it's the investment philosophy of the Warren Buffett, the richest man on the earth, is believe in the simplicity and the richest methodology of that time. Let's meet in the next video for the more content and follow the channel for the more content. Let's meet in the next video.